Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word nourishing. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The soup was warm, hearty, and incredibly nourishing after a long day of hiking. Nourishing means providing essential nutrients and sustenance to support growth, strength, and overall health and well-being. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.